record jang ka Awaken India movement giban Nongstoiñ bus cars hills akasi balang kilali penyakan du pat ai jing thwa khamat ke deputy commissioner ke district ka shimiti himana yang ayas halor ka nongrim ban pan jing shai bahatu ka daini em ban pendu ya ka hok jang ki pa ki bam tre Aadhaar kani ka kenuhun hapo ka jingalam jang ka kong bi kharbani kile kandu mar khamat kum ka jing pan jing shai na ka deputy commissioner ban pan jing pen shai la ka daini em ban pendu ya ka hok jang ki pa ki bam tre Aadhaar habaya tingkhu bat ki scheme ba pher ki bla wan ling ba ka sarkar na lor ka jing tho ka sengkla ai copy ru ya ki order ki ba ka sengkla yo na ka high court ka bala ka do shai ba Aadhaar card pat day ubalong kongsan la ni mandatory unong tho khubor habayo ban kli pertho na ka deputy commissioner hato ka yeng bisha ni ka high court jang ka jala mikhalia ka ong kumno ka tei ka officer ka lo ong ba ka kam hi ka yating kho ha ki benta ki babon pen ban na ka liang jong ka kan sapan ya ka jing batha ni jing pen shai na ka sarkar jala nakaliang jong ka tei ka officer ka la kula ru ban shimkhia ya ka shithi bala ai da ka seng EIM bat banyarap halor ka tei ka kam Henry ka seng pan ka la kerpa ya ki wei ki officer ba kim dei ban shule don bor lum kom ta ka seng kan sale ya ba don kam persha ya ki lada ki dang pene
We have received this petition from the President, Secretary and members of Awaken India movement. So they wanted us to clarify whether Aadhaar is mandatory for government schemes, especially Government of Meghalaya and Government of India schemes. And also they have brought to our notice this High Court, Meghalaya High Court order, and it mentions that Aadhaar is not mandatory for particular government schemes. So regarding Aadhaar, it is contradictory because many of the Government of India schemes, for that payment is done through Aadhaar based payment system. So we will seek the guidance from our state government and we will clarify to all the beneficiaries of Government of India and Meghalaya schemes very soon. Thank you. So now most of our projects, be it Government of India or Government of Meghalaya, we have particular payment systems and we have direct benefit transfer in some of the schemes, and we need to verify the beneficiary, and to verify the payment also we need a system. For that, Government of India is using ABPS system, which is Aadhaar based payment system. So I encourage all the beneficiaries to take the benefit of these Government of India schemes and to enroll themselves in Aadhaar. In West Khasi Hills district, we have Aadhaar camps. We have been doing it regularly over the years, and we have the centers where all the citizens can do the Aadhaar enrollment. We have many centers. We have centers in DC office. We have centers in all the block offices in Nongstoiñ, Moshenruth, Shalang, Ramrai and Rimulyang. And recently we have started a center in Civil Hospital Nongstoiñ also. So we encourage all the citizens to enroll themselves and also to update their phone numbers, because now the phone number, especially of the parents of Anganwadi children, it is now mandatory for Poshan Tracker. So we request the parents to enroll themselves and also to enroll their children. Thank you. Aadhaar at the district level, we are coordinating through planning branch. In the initial stages, it was Aadhaar enrollment, but now under various departments we have to link the Aadhaar. If you look at supply branch, we are linking the ration card to Aadhaar, and health department we are linking MHIS card to Aadhaar. So similarly, we have all the departments, they need their beneficiaries to link their Aadhaar to their own department schemes. Now to do that, we need to have good coordination with all the departments. Recently we had multiple meetings regarding this, and now we have established all the communication channels through various departments, and we would like to see the percentage of Aadhaar coverage go up in our district very soon.
Giwan bu ya kena kakut ora ba gidon sibun gibanta gibangi sa penduk ya ki lat jingera ba karukat Kendri abang iya kendu iya ka DC minta kesini tolong ba ini madam DC yang ba ini harap pada bala te nakaling jumni kung di pat yang senang jong ka India apo jangan dengan Nongstoiñ ngidon kam ban ni kerpat ya ki office paper ba kinsu bah bantai na bantai kini kam dia kena kapur ni kerpat ru na bantai gitu ki officer nagiwi ki department ru bakin le ya ka hok ka bangi de ban yo but lada kidangnya pun ngin sale ya ka berangkau